When I get asked about what we do as a digital product studio, it's easy to get drawn into talking about our services or the outputs we provide. And whilst that delivery is crucial, a lot of the reasons we get results for our clients comes down to our mindset, and that's ultimately what really matters. That's why when I look at what makes us stand out beyond what we deliver, it always comes back to the team. It's what makes us different because clients are paying for our brainpower.
Understanding forms the basis of everything that we do. Over 20 years we've learned there's no easy way to come up with a brilliant product, but we do know that the best customer experience always wins. Without fundamentally understanding what a product or service needs to do, it's impossible to meet the high standards expected of a modern user experience.
Creativity can be interpreted incredibly differently depending on who you ask, but ultimately for us it's synonymous with innovation. And it's creativity, innovation, as we all know, that ultimately drives market leadership and puts you ahead of the competition. So for us, it's about possessing an open mindset that looks at challenging things from all angles, taking account of everything and looking at how we can creatively come up with a solution, a product for you that is going to put you ahead of the rest.
Intelligence is knowing when to smash with a hammer and tweak with a screwdriver. It's strategic thinking that leaves you in a better place than where you started. It's the difference between getting in before competitors do. In the last 6 years alone, we've experienced over 350 projects. Our instincts are sharpened by existing in the product world.
By putting our core traits of understanding, creativity and intelligence at the centre of our work ethos, we achieve a collective mindset that looks at a challenge to find the opportunities others often miss. And we apply these traits to find the advantage that delivers a return on investment. This creates better digital experiences for your users and it ignites business growth.
Our core traits allow us to optimize your product's profitability, customer engagement, and enable scalability across the product development lifecycle. With over 20 years of experience delivering digital projects, we have researched, designed, and built outstanding web and mobile applications to help businesses create better digital products and services faster.
Do we sound like the team for you? If you want to work with us or for us, head to our website to get in touch or look at our available vacancies. If you want to know more about a specific trait, click on the relevant link now.